Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite girl, Miss Berizzy of BERIZZYs Closet. And if you don't know, BERIZZYs Closet is an online boutique that sells female clothes from a small all the way up to a size 4XL. So guys, please head on over there and check me out, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now let's get right into the video for today. Guys, as you've already seen by the title, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some shoes from Torrid. Guys, if you're just joining me, Torrid is my go-to store. I have a very big feet, so most stores do not carry my size. I wear a US size 13, or sometimes I even go up to a size 15 if it's a non-US brand. So that is why Torrid and a very few other stores are the ones that cater for people that have my shoe size, which is really not fair, because I do not know why these brands don't want to go up to a size 13, 14. But either way, let's review what I got from Torrid. These are some of my most comfortable shoes that I have right now. Like, the heels are shorter now. I don't know why, but these days I've not been buying very high heels, so it is what it is. First up, guys, is this beautiful black shoes. I really wanted a black shoe that is a full shoe like this. And if you've seen my last video, and by the way, if you've not watched it, I'm going to link it up in the screen somewhere, either here or here. But check up on the screen, I'm going to link it up. You'll know that I love this detailing. These ones are my go-to, and Torrid has been giving them to me back to back. So once I saw this, I really loved it. And guys, the good thing about these shoes, like especially for my plus size ladies, you know, I got y'all. The heel, it's not too high. This is like a 2.5-inch heel. It's most likely like a kiddie heel. I don't think this qualifies to be a kiddie heel, but either way, it's not too high. Very comfortable, as you've seen me walking in them right now. But I really love the shoes, and I can't wait to rock them outside. Next up, guys, I have this beautiful sling back sandals, shoe sandals from Torrid. And guys, I really like this. I'm not gonna lie, online they look way cuter than they are in person, but still, I'm not complaining. I really like them, because I don't know why. Whenever I get white shoes, there's always a problem. And this is one that I tested, and absolutely no issues with it. Like my feet, as you can see on the screen, it fits perfect. I can walk in them. These are shoes that are comfortable for everyday wear. It's not just a special occasion. Like, you can wear them to work, you know, just wear them and walk around. These are shoes that I'm going to definitely be walking around with a lot. So I'm glad that I got them. Comfort, yes. Style, yes. I think it's kind of like a dupe for maybe like a Chanel or something. I don't know. I don't keep up with designer brands. As long as I like them, I buy them. I don't care the name or label on it. So yeah, but these ones are really cute, as you've seen me walking in them, and I can't wait to rock them also. Guys, next up, y'all know what season we're in, or we're fast approaching. It's almost fall, and yes, I got the boots. The boots. If you are a plus size queen, guys, or if you just have a big feet or a really big calf, Torrid is your go-to for boots. I cannot stress this enough. Torrid is your go-to for boots. I don't care how fat your feet are, your ankles are, your calves are, they got you. I do not have really big calf for my size. So guys, I always choose the regular size. And if you look at this right here, it has a stretch, an elastic, which allows for more room inside, so your feet will have more room. And guys, this is absolutely amazing. As you see me walking in them, they are super comfortable, very stylish, very fit, and I can't wait for fall to finally get to California, because it's like California is still not in the fall category yet, because we still having 86 and 90 degrees. In fact, yesterday was 91 degrees in October. So we're not there yet, but I can't wait for it to be fall so I can rock this boot. Like, I just love fall. So guys, watch out for my pictures on Instagram, because That's why I'm going to be posting most of my pictures. So if you're not following me on Instagram, now is a good time to pause and head on over to Instagram and follow my personal page at BERIZZYs. I'll link it down on the screen or down in the description box below. Or also check me out on TikTok and all other social media platforms. You'll find your girl there. So head on over there. Guys, last but not the least, I have this beautiful red boots. Like, guys, these boots are so unique. I love them. However, I have a little concern about this boot, which you can see on the screen. The boot is a bit big. I can't remember because this boot I bought it a long time ago, so I'm sorry, excuse me if this boot is not gonna be available on the website. I'll try to look and link it down below, but excuse me if it's not available. But this boot is a bit too big, so I can't remember if I bought the extra wide calf, but it's really big here, so I might definitely have to take it to a shoemaker to help see how we can, you know, slim it down to fit my foot. But guys, you can see the platform. It makes it super duper easy to walk in these shoes. Like, I've walked in them for a couple of times, and I bet you I can walk in these shoes for like 4, 5, 6 hours. Not kidding you, I can stay in this boot. So these ones, they've been my all-time favorite, and I was like, I don't have a lot of shoes. Let me throw this in there and show y'all just in case Torrid decides to bring it back or if they still have it. But these boots, they are to die for. I'll try to find a picture where I've styled them before and link it down, but don't hold me on to that. But guys, I want to say thank you so much. We've come to the end of this video, and I want to appreciate each and every one of you that have been following me. And for those of you that send me emails about my feet, okay, I don't know how to feel about that, but I know that the love is there for me, which is why you want to stick around and watch me do the shoes and clothing haul. I'll definitely try, but like I always say, this is where my hard-earned money, and I'm not going to be splurging like crazy right now. So we're going to have to balance it out a little bit. However, I love shopping, so definitely keep watching. I will definitely be bringing them to you. So guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post beautiful and amazing content like this. And until next time, I remain your favorite girl, Miss BERIZZYs. Thank you.